Some jobs seem simple until they cause real problems, like installing a dryer vent. Do it wrong and you're inviting mold, trapped moisture, or even fire hazards. Today we're doing it the right way. This is how we build at the trade table. Clean, safe, and built to last. Why proper dryer venting matters. A dryer vent removes hot, moist air from your home. Without proper venting, that moisture can build up inside and even mix with dangerous gases like carbon monoxide. On top of that, lint can collect in the wrong type of duct and become a serious fire hazard. Important reminders. Avoid using flexible vinyl ducting. It tends to sag under its own weight, which allows lint to accumulate in the low spots. Over time, this buildup becomes a serious fire hazard. Also, never use sheet metal screws inside the ductwork. They protrude into the airflow path and catch lint, which can restrict airflow and increase the risk of blockage or fire. Step 1. Cut the vent hood opening. Begin by marking the spot inside your home where the dryer vent will exit. Drill a small pilot hole through the wall to check alignment, then head outside to ensure it lines up properly. Once confirmed, use a 4.25-inch hole saw to make the full opening. Start drilling from the inside just enough to let the pilot bit break through the exterior. Then switch to the outside and finish the cut to prevent tearing or damaging the wall surface, a problem known as blowout. Step 2. Install the vent hood. Feed the duct pipe through the hole and attach the vent hood to the outside wall using wood screws. Make sure the hood's flap opens freely and is angled downward to shed water. Once it's mounted securely, seal all edges around the hood with a silicone-based caulk to keep out rain, insects, and drafts. Step 3. Connect to the hood duct inside the wall. Attach a 90-degree elbow to the duct coming off the vent hood. Depending on how your dryer is positioned, you might need a second elbow to align the ductwork correctly. Connect all duct pieces tightly, and ensure the airflow path is smooth without sharp bends or forced angles. Step 4. Support and seal the duct. Run the duct toward your dryer, supporting it along the way with metal hanger straps to prevent sagging. Each joint should be sealed with foil duct tape. Never use regular duct tape, which breaks down over time. Be sure to maintain a downward slope of about 1/4 inch per foot toward the exterior. This allows any condensation to flow outside instead of pooling inside the duct. Step 5. Connect to the dryer finish by attaching a final elbow to the dryer's exhaust port and connecting it to your main duct run. Carefully slide the dryer back into place, being mindful not to crush the duct. Use a level to check that the dryer is sitting evenly, and adjust the feet if necessary. Once everything is properly aligned, tighten the lock nuts to secure the dryer in position. Once everything's sealed, supported and connected, you're done. You now have a vent system that's up to code, energy efficient, and far safer than most setups out there. Take a moment to double check all your connections, and just like that, the job's complete. Don't let this be your last project with us. Tap that like button, subscribe if you want your DIY game to stay sharp, and send this to someone whose dryer vent is still a fire hazard. For tools, gear, and the kind of upgrades that actually last, check out thetradable.com. We've got the good stuff waiting for you.